Well, if you've been watching any of the Johnny Depp Amber Heard case, you probably noticed something. Amber Heard's attorneys are terrible. But I'm guessing you've never seen anything quite like I'm about to show you here happen in a courtroom. This guy above me, that's who you need to focus on, because that is one of Amber Heard's attorneys. And this guy is about to make an embarrassing decision in court. One that'll probably never live down in his lifetime. I'm sure all of his lawyer friends and just anybody who he comes in contact with will remind him of this very moment. And we have to go back real quick to show you something so this all makes sense. Here's what led up to the embarrassing moment. Remember, this is Amber Heard's attorney.
And isn't it true that in the entire time you were there, you were not informed as to what caused damage to Mr. Depp's finger on March 8th?
Objection, hearsay.
I'm asking what he wasn't told.
I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
All right, so if you don't know what happened there, Johnny Depp's attorneys objected to the question, and Amber Heard's attorneys lost. The judge said it was sustained, and they had to go and phrase this a different way. This is where things get really awkward for a man right here, Amber Heard's attorney. He's about to object to his own question. Watch his face, watch the other lawyer's reaction. Check this out.
You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he'd sustained an injury on one of his fingers.
Objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Okay.
The judge says incredulously, wait, hold on. Didn't you just ask that question? Are you objecting to your own question? And the other attorney, opposing counsel, Johnny Depp's attorneys are like, oh my God. You just objected to your own question. One more time.
You didn't know what could cause damage to Mr. Depp's hand while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he'd sustained an injury on one of his fingers.
Objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question.
Okay.
Listen to the judge one more time. You asked the question.
Sustained an injury on one of his fingers.
Objection, hearsay.
Wait, you asked the question. Next.
Oh, that is very, very painful for this guy. Adam Nadelhalf, that's his name. He objected to his own line of questioning, leading to a rash of stories about him today. And he's never going to hear the end of this from his attorney fans. Have you been watching the Johnny Depp Amber Heard case so far? Do you think Johnny Depp's coming out on top of this? It seems to me that he actually is changing public perception, which is the entirety of the point of this case for Johnny Depp. Do you think he's doing a good job at this, or do you think it's embarrassing for both of them or one of them in particular? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to see what the pulse of the audience is on this particular trial. If you want to hear more from this trial or less or whatever, let me know. Facebook.com/TheNewsJunkie. Hit that follow button. YouTube.com/TheNewsJunkie. Hit subscribe. I'll see you in the comments as per usual. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you again real soon.